Hi, it's Crystal with Key Culinary Consulting here, and as I do my push-ups, I'm reminded of no pain, no gain. You know, this is really challenging, and I want to give up. Ugh. Oh, in fact, I'm done. Okay, so no pain, no gain is not just for the gym, but it's for life. Whoever done anything worth doing and said, oh my God, that was the easiest thing in the world. Just like these push-ups, sometimes you just want to give up, and it's easier to do nothing than to struggle through and finish your reps or to reach that goal. But I implore you, don't give up. Don't give up. If you've got 10 push-ups, finish your 10. If you've got a 5-year plan, get to the 5 years. Even if it just gets you down the street, get there. Don't give up. This is Crystal with Key Culinary Consulting saying the key to healthy living is just never giving up. It's easier said than done, but I challenge you to do it. See you later.